Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalarai Benteno Atli Gijaka Setmasi, Ha East Khasi Hills District, bat ha West Janti Hills District, kum Shibentaman Pentri Kampura ya kendon an, belatip kum ke Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, kat kendai span rupo. Ya kini kerai la shem ha kajing elang banding kong mentakasngi ka santrik unaitung arjar kat kendai, jong ka State Animal Welfare Board, balapanya do sembut Menteri Rang Baka Jela ba Preston Tensong, uwa petru katnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary. Da ka jingthawi ka State Animal Welfare Board balapun ko board ka Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act nais pa andrupau la thungru director katnat veterinary ko members ka 3 bat u MLA ka Congress ba Charles Pingrop kum dekhon bat kentup ru ikwi officer na kisnat trikam per Sarkar Jilla hadin ka jingelang ba Preston laong ba ka board ka lai thirsani bha ka bai dei bat kimrat bari kibriau kibahap kat kum kanika ak kiba kentup na do kimasi kisnyang kiksau bat kiwi kat bai kimrat klau shim lakan thup setia hapo kanika an.
First meeting of the State Animal Welfare Board, because the constitution of this board was done according to the Act. Okay? According to the Act, and the Act known as Prevention of Cruelty of Animals, Act 1960. Okay, and not only that, even the Supreme Court has given the directive that this Act has to be implemented, adhered to in totality. So today, the first, after the constitution of this board and the chairman of the board, so we have the members, director of veterinary is the member secretary, and then we do have members, Mr. Charles Pingrop from the MLA side, and then we have principal secretary, commissioner secretary, veterinary, and then we have from urban department, senior officers from urban department, from law department, then chief conservator for wildlife, and then we have IGP, and then we do have also the Mr. Gagan Jain, member of Animal Welfare Board, and then Daman Kharkrang Maulai Moracho. I will just give you this. Yes. Okay? The name of the members of this newly constituted board. So today we discussed about the issue of the welfare of animals. Okay, the welfare of animals, but don't get confused. Animals here, there are two issues of animals. One is wild animal, which falls under the Wildlife Act, and one animals which falls under this Prevention on Cruelty of Animals. Okay, that is for cattle, pigs, and then bull, and then dogs, and all this, excluding this wild animal. Okay, excluding wild. So today we had the first meeting, and the board has decided to again reactivate. We need to reactivate even the district society, which is to be headed by the respective deputy commissioners along with the members, and we already notified and constituted that committee also, where they have to take care of these issues for the welfare of the animals, okay? Including stray dogs, these, that, everything is there. So that is the decision we taken. We will reactivate all the district society in every district. That is number one. And number two, we also wanted to create one, we call it one shelter home. Okay, one shelter home we wanted to create in Shillong, and one shelter home we wanted to create in July. Presently.
For dogs?
For the animals, which I already named, but excluding wild animals. Okay. So this is decision taken by the board. Why we also made some NGOs as member of this board, of this welfare board. It's because of that. And not less than four NGOs were part of this board, part of this committee. Because in the act itself, as I said too, in the act itself, they encourage those registered NGOs to come up, and then they can take care stray dog or those dog who is ill. That's what we propose to have. As I said to you, we supposed to have a shelter home. In the shelter home, the facilities is those dog who's ill, treatment can be given. Okay, treatment can be given, and then after doing all that, then again the dog will be handed over to the owner. Okay, and in the case of stray dog, street dog, then the NGO will adopt them, and then in the next meeting again, because we would like to have also an executive committee, one executive committee, smaller group of people who can also suggest to the board how do we go out, how do we implement this act in totality, as I said to you. So this will be taken into consideration, all these issues.